Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I'm having a workshop next Saturday, Sunday in Chennai. The workshop is full. So, in fact, this is the first time my workshop is full 2 weeks before the starting date. Because of this, so I immediately launched another workshop in Bengaluru. So, next month. So, if you're interested, you can check the description. You can subscribe for the workshop. Volatile day as expected. Morning it was higher, then came down by 150 point, again shot up 100 point, again came down. And finally, on a closing basis, it is a very, very pathetic closing. Number one, Nifty closed for 8 straight days. I don't think Nifty has closed for 8 straight days earlier. I don't know. I have to check the chart. At least in my memory, it's not there. And number two, for 9 straight days, it's a red candle. 8 straight days is down. The 9th trading session, that means the first trading session, Nifty opened higher than the previous day, but closed lower than the opening. So because of that, that candle was also red candle. So even in the month of February, when the Trump came out with this tariff shock for the entire world, and the markets continued to fall all over the world, and that time also there were only 8 red candles, but here now is a 9th red candle. Okay, fine. When there is something bad like a Trump tariff, market falling is understandable. But now there is no news. In fact, there was a good news. From September 22nd, the GST has been reduced. For most of the products which were under a 28% GST, it has come down to 18%. For all the products from 12%, it has come to 5%. With such a big good news, and the new GST, revised GST rates was applicable from September 22nd, but from September 22nd, our markets are falling every day. And every day FIIs are selling. I think today in the pre-market I mentioned, I think for the last 6-7 trading sessions, FIIs are selling at least 2,500 crore every day. So this is a very, very pathetic close. Every time when the market make a small recovery, we think, at least now there will be a technical bounce, market will recover, but uniformly all the intraday rallies are being sold into. And today, for the first time in last so many days, the IT index was trading slightly in the green, but towards the end of the day, that has come into selling pressure. And finally, TCS has fallen about more than 25 rupees. From intraday high to low, it was about 30 rupees fall, but on a closing basis, it's about 25 rupees fall. Why this is very important? Because on September 18th, and TCS has shot up beyond 3,200, and from there, from September 18 to today, in just a matter of 2 weeks, I think it is down by 6-7%. And the same thing with the other IT stocks also. So, as I told you already, so it's all because of Trump. So, only the Trump can reverse this market. But I do not know whether the Trump will do that or not. So, the Trump's irrational statements about H-1B visa is a main reason. Of course, we also have other problems, but the major reason is this Trump tariff. So, I told you last week that Nifty is likely to trade between 24,500 and 24,800 for these 2 trading sessions, Monday and Tuesday. And maybe up to the end of this Friday, of course, Thursday is a public holiday. So, we have 2 more trading sessions, that is tomorrow and Friday. And the Nifty is likely to trade between 24,500 and 25,000. And looking at the open interest for the next week Nifty series, 25,000 call option as the highest open interest. And today, maximum addition happened at 24,700 also. 24,700, 24,800. And many people have taken 24,600 short straddle. The combined premium is about 300 points. So, there is no point in discussing open interest this and that because today is a weekly expiry as well as the monthly expiry. So, we have to, like 1 or 2 more days we need for the positions to be built up, then we can do the analysis. But as of now, I'm still sticking with my view that it's going to be 24,500 to 25,000 for at least another 2-3 trading sessions. Meanwhile, so US government shutdown may happen tonight. That will have a negative impact in US markets. And because the US markets are all trading at all-time high, so, few hundred points falling, it's not a big deal there. So, that is one of the reasons why on 9th straight day we have fallen because the US futures are lower at this point of time. So, I've been telling you this is not the time to be optimistic. So, when the Nifty broke 25,000 on the downside, so technically this market has become a short. It's not a long market. So, be very careful on the put side. And call options, I have sold call options 25,000 and above. Even today in the morning during the trading time, I sold 25,000 call around 45 rupees. I think it closed around 25 rupees only. So, selling a call, anything about 25,000 may be safe for the next week because, next week you have only 4 trading sessions because Thursday is a public holiday. So, because of that you have only 4 trading sessions. So, rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.